Introducing the AEG 7000 series washing machines. Effortlessly caring for your professional look by using steam at the end of the cycle to reduce creases and ironing. Pro Steam technology utilizes short, gentle steam programs to refresh creased clothes and safely remove odors for sharp results every time. Using the Plus Steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Impeccable results every time. The AEG 7000 series washing machines.
Kenmore understands the need to handle mountains of clothes, so that's why we designed the newest Kenmore Elite Washer to take on the mother load. With 6.2 cubic feet of capacity, there's no larger capacity washer. It can tackle up to 32 bath towels in a single load, and that's just the beginning. Exciting innovations like the exclusive quad-action impeller with 4 wash motions fights tough laundry messes. The new Flex Fin action forces clothes up and over for optimal cleaning performance. 9 spray jets penetrate dirt from every angle, while the wash basket powerfully moves clothes back and forth. And Excelosoak technology reaches soils fast by drawing the detergent mix up from the bottom of the basket, while thoroughly saturating the clothes on top, delivering a deep clean. In fact, no one cleans better in its class, giving you more of what you value most: time. The innovative FlexWash technology activates a powerful wash sequence to get your laundry clean fast. The accelerated rinse cycle sprays water through your clothes during high-speed spins for fast and effective rinsing. Your toughest laundry messes are no match for Steam Treat, which lifts hard-to-clean stains using the power of steam, virtually eliminating the need to pre-treat. And the convenient new Deep Fill option lets you control how much water to use on select cycles. With the new Kenmore Elite Top Load Washer, big loads are no big deal. With innovations like these, it's no wonder Kenmore has been trusted for over 100 years.